Once again, you're watching PJ Collection Clothing Online class, and in this video I'll be showing us how to make a simple senator top. It's one of the reigning senator top now. It comes with a designer shoe buckles, so we'll be making it with an invisible zip with a designer shoe buckles, and it will be a short sleeve. In the course of this video, I will not show us how to fix the invisible zip. I only show us how to fix this designer shoe buckles. Some persons have been asking how to go about that. Now, this is an example of a shoe designer's buckles. Yeah, it comes in pair for the left and the right. If you're making shoes or sandals, you have this. They're in different, so when you get to where they sell shoes, you get this known as designer shoe buckle. This is a bigger size. There are smaller sizes. Alright, so first thing we need to do, we need to prepare the front placket. If you take a look at some senator top, you'll notice that you'll see something like this, and the front of the senator, you'll see a colored fabric as shown. Then you see another one at the corner like this. Then you also see another one at the corner like this. Then you now see this designer shoe buckles at the middle. It might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 4. You'll see something of this nature at the middle. Then this other one comes this way, come this other way. I don't know, you must see something like this. So how you go about preparing this is you use your cloth gum stay. You gum this well, then you also gum this your desired colors, then you also gum this properly well. Then after gumming, you fold all the edges neatly depending on the measurement you want to use. Then you also fold this neatly, you also fold this neatly. Then when you're through folding, let's assume this is the senator that you want to use. This is the senator you want to use. So this will now be at the middle as shown. This will be at the middle as shown. Remember, it's at the middle. Then you've also prepared this. Then this will be at the middle like this, as you can see. Then this will now cover this other part. Then this will also cover this other part. Remember, you've ironed all part neatly, so you now sew all the edges round. So you see this in some senator top. But in the course of this video, I'll be doing just one alone, just one at the center of our senator top with this designer's buckle at the middle. This is how we do just this alone. So to begin with, now, if you take a look at it, you take note of the width. The width, so that is this width, so you take note of the width of this. So if you've taken note, then this is the desired fabric I want to use. So let's assume that this width is 1 inch. Now fold your fabric. Let's assume this. Now fold your fabric like this, and you fold like this. Remember, it's 1 inch. Then you iron it down or use your hemi gum to gum it, or you fold it together. Then you sew 1 inch. You now turn it. So in this case, what I did was I ironed both sides. This is the neat part and this is the rough part. So I ironed it with my hemi gum. The width here is 1 inch. So remember, I will now place this inside. Put this inside. Now have this. You have this, as you can see. You have this. Then this other part as well. You pick up this and you put this inside. Okay, you have this as well. So this is what I arrived with. So this is how to prepare this. So use your hemi gum. You either top stitch. Remember, it's folded. So you either top stitch. You top stitch it round. There are some cases that you pass. If you want to use just one alone, you pass through this. Remember, this is a good side. This is a good side of it. If you want to use one alone, you pass through from the down. Take it through the down. See, this is a good side facing. You pass through the down, then you bring it this way, then you pass it from this other part. So you arrive at this. So you now have this one alone, but we are using 2. So this is how to go about preparing this. Alright, now over to our senator top. This is my senator top. It's the same pattern of cutting, and what we're doing here is a round neck. Then I'm fixing an invisible zip. What we're focusing now, this is the fabric I want to use at the center. So the measurement will be here is the measurement I have here that I've done the folding is 6.5 by 7 inch. So you can decide to fold the edges, your desired length. Now the back here is, I use cloth gum to gum the back, then I folded. So now this is my senator top that I want to use. Now at the middle, you make sure that the middle line here, as you can see, is in line with the senator top. So from the neckline here, from here down to where is 4 inch. I'm using 4 inch, is for 18. So 4 inch for adult, you can go. Alright, so this is 4 inch. So we now have this. Now, but before I sew this to the senator top, let me quickly move over to my buckles. Now, this is what I've prepared. So this is a good side. So we place this, put this inside, then you sew. Now go to your sewing machine. Take note, go to your sewing machine. Remember it should be, put this inside. Go to your sewing machine. So you go to your sewing machine. Remember at the middle. Now if you want this to be two, one at the up, one at the down, you can use 3, but in this case I'm using just one at the middle. So you place this. Now remember, you also fold this under as shown like this, as you can see. So you go to your sewing machine, now sew this with a white thread round. Then this second part as well, the second part, take note, this is a good side. This is how you put, fix it inside, bring it out. As you can see, this is how it will be at the middle. So you take note of the measurement. You make sure that the distance from here to here is equal. Here to here they are equal. So this. So you now sew this, sew this together. So let's do that now. Okay, so I'm through with the sewing. As you can see, I'm through with the sewing. So now pick up my senator top. Now we are making for a round neck. So you get your yoke. This is the wrong side. Remember, it's a round neck. So you get your yoke. You place it at the good side. You sew the neck round, then you now turn it to the wrong side as shown. I've done it. So when you're through with that, you place this. Now you now pick up this part that we've prepared. Now place it at the middle as shown. Place it at the middle. Remember, from the neck down 4 inch. I'm using 4 inch. Now make sure that it's at the middle. So we now go to our sewing machine and we now sew this round. So let's do that now. Alright, so this is how to fix these designer's buckles. Now if you want this to be 2, remember I said you can put 1 here, then 1 here. If you want it to be 3, depending on how you want to go about design, this is how to go about fixing these designer's shoe buckle. So every other thing remains the same. So you have to join your front and back yoke, your sleeve and visible zip. Every other thing remains the same.